Here's another Amazon unboxing. Let's see what we got today. This is a snack spinner for kids. It's pretty cool, a little smaller than I expected, but it still holds a variety of snacks. Check it out as I fill it up. Okay, I am a little obsessed with these food containers. I love that every piece is dishwasher safe, microwavable, and freezer safe. They have removable sections, so I'll be using these for my picky toddler meal prepping for sure. Now, this preschool book, amazing. This is our second book for our son Ace. He loves them so much. We got another one. We call it the fun book. The letter tracing book is really helpful for toddlers to learn how to write as well. It includes different size letters and numbers. I'm obsessed with these ohora gel nail strips. They are great for putting on my real nails. They help to keep my nails hard. They're easy to apply with no drying time. All I have to do is put them under my UV light. I can put them on in all of 15 minutes and even stop to help out my toddler and baby with no mess up. The cleansing balm, amazing. It cleans so well and it smells really good. The baby bowls come with 24 line clips, so it's easy to put on my little girl's hair. I need to be able to take my Honest Wipes with us without having to take the huge pack, so I picked up the wipes travel cases and they've been great. They've kept the wipes moist for so far 2 weeks, but let's see how much longer they can stay fresh. So this was an 8-pack of kid socks that has grippers on the bottom. They're super thick and durable. Definitely recommend them. Find all on my Amazon storefront and follow for more.